Hey everyone, Steve King coming to you with Messiah College Athletics, and today we're taking a look at all the construction being done at the Sullenborough Sports Center. Come along with us, we'll check out the exterior of the building and also the second floor where the fitness center is going to be. We won't be able to get in the locker rooms today because all the work that's being done on the floor, there's plenty else to see. Come along with us.